You already banging in the new seal?
There's the old one.
Oh, that was the one that blew its wad everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Nastiness.
Nasty!
I left it by, so we can... Before and after, kind of.
You're like, oh. Yeah, you're good. Are you banging? Do I have to make the seal joke again with the walrus? Or have I worn that one out yet?
Oh, I'm just fucking dripping sweat today.
Fine, Grouchy. Calm down.
No, I'm just dripping sweat.
That's what she said. Sweat, puppy. Bang it harder, Papito. It's not square. You need a smaller seal driver. Give it a little more bang bang.
Grabbing the right one.
Bang bang.
It's right behind you.
A little bit of bang bang. Chitty chitty bang 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 chitty chitty. Hold on.
Other way, dude.
Not necessarily. When you're bearing a race in, it's the other way. This is
still tapered.
Tomato or tomato, doesn't matter.
Still tapered.
You're taping. Ooh. Yes. Look at that.
Way better.
Nice.
Well, there's
New axle seal in.
one side.
Whoop-de-whoop.
Now I can start cleaning all the hardware and pieces that's for this side. I'm going to start tearing the other side apart.
And maybe while this is out of the car, this little edge, we'll clean it real quick and just go bloop with a roll lock real fast.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Make it nice.
Yep.
Make it nice.
How's that go?
Do it nice. Look at that. Way better. Good job, sir.
Yeah, the bearing's going to sit a lot nicer.
It's going to be happier.
It's going to be zee.
I don't know about that, but it'll be nicer.
Well, I mean, the dip, like when you turn the pinion, it's
Smooth.
nice.
All right.
There's no crunchy.
Yeah.
And it's not like, you know, some other ones where we had a little bit of play. Nope. This one feels real good.
That's good. That's good. That's a positive for Tom.
Yes.
All
You know, this is just, well, I don't want to say basic maintenance because it's not basic maintenance.
No,
but this is like every 10 years, depending on how many miles you put on a vehicle.
10 to 20.
Yeah.
I mean, I've had the dually almost 20 years, and I've done mine twice.
But you're hard.
Well, I
Pulling
drive
the
a
trailer.
lot, too. Yeah. Remember, I bought it with 102, and it's got 324.8.
I can't believe mine still has under 200,000.
That's because nobody drove yours. All right. Seals in.
I drove the
Lover Luber.